Welcome to Best Productly.
10 Best Single-Door Reach-In Freezer. We are going to check out top 10 best single-door reach-in freezer in current time. I mean, this list is best my personal opinion, and I try to list them best on their price, quality, durability, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about this single-door reach-in freezer, you can check out the link down in the description and comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Top 10.
True MFGT 12F 1-door 12 Cu.ft reach-in freezer. Item usually ships in 7-10 business days.
Top 9.
29 single solid door reach-in freezer. Stainless steel interior and exterior. Self-closing doors with 90-degree stay-open feature. Adjustable heavy-duty PVC-coated shelves.
Top 8.
Adcraft GRFC 1D Grista single-door reach-in freezer. Stainless steel 115V. Easy to clean 430 series stainless steel exterior 3 epoxy-coated corrosion resistant shelves with 90 lb. Capacity each. Self-closing door with stay-open feature beyond 90 deg. Bottom-mounted condensing unit positioned for easy maintenance.
Top 7.
Maxx Cold MXCF 19 FDHC reach-in freezer. Single door, top mount. Stainless steel exterior with painted aluminum interior. Urethane foam insulation. 3. Heavy-duty, adjustable, PE-coated wire shelves per section hold full-size sheet pans. Recessed handles with door locks. 4. Diameter swivel casters with front brakes. Automatic defrost system and interior lighting. Equipped with integrated condensate evaporator, therefore no drain line connection is needed. Holding temperature -10 degF to 10 degF, -230 C to -120 C. Open door alert beeps when door has been open for 3 minutes. Hinged, self-closing doors. Available in
Top 6.
C1F23 Cu.ft stainless steel reach-in freezer single solid door. Manufacturer's warranty, 5 year on compressor and 1 year on parts and labor. Energy saving certified. Beautiful ergonomic construction and rounded corners. Digital temperature controller and readout.
Top 5.
Arctic Air AWR 25 white single door reach-in commercial refrigerator. 25 Cu.ft. Our economy reach-in models are beautifully designed in smooth white painted steel for a look that stays clean and fingerprint-free. Features include high-output fan motors, electronic thermostat with external digital display, and bottom-mounted compressor. 3 epoxy-coated, adjustable shelves and locking casters come standard with all models. Doors are self-closing and lockable with foamed-in-place recessed handle. Tested to NSF Standard 7 requirements for open food storage. All products are operated and monitored for a minimum of 13 hours prior to packaging and shipping.
Top 4.
DUURA DVF1 stainless steel 27-inch single-door reach-in commercial freezer with top-mounted condenser, 23 cubic feet, silver. Ample space. 3 adjustable heavy-duty PE-coated wire shelves and bright LEDs lights that illuminate interior. Automatic ease. Open door alert beeps when door has been open for 5 minutes. Digitally controlled temperature system maintains optimum temperature and LED display is easily viewed from exterior. Roll IT where you need IT. 5-in. Swivel.
Top 3.
FSC 29-inch single-door commercial reach-in freezer, 23 cubic feet, stainless steel 115V, MRFC 1D. Perfect for small restaurants. Whether you are storing pre-made portions of your signature dishes, frozen sides, or frozen ingredients, this food service essentials commercial freezer is perfect for your small restaurant, cafe, or bakery where larger units would normally not fit. 23 Cu.ft capacity. The reach-in freezer offers a capacity of 23 cubic feet and features 3 adjustable strong plastic-coated steel shelves to help keep out moisture and resist corrosion and rusting. Each shelf can hold up to 90 pounds of weight.
Top 2.
Arctic Air AWF 25 Arctic Air AWF 25 Single Door Reach-In Freezer, white. Our economy reach-in models are beautifully designed in smooth white painted steel for a look that stays clean and fingerprint-free. Features include high-output fan motors, electronic thermostat with external digital display, and bottom-mounted compressor. 3 epoxy-coated, adjustable shelves and locking casters come standard with all models. Doors are lockable with foamed-in-place recessed handle. Tested to NSF Standard 7 requirements for open.
Top 1.
Peak Cold Single Door Commercial Reach in Stainless Steel Freezer, white interior, 23 cubic ft, 29 wide. Peak Cold 29, wide x 32.2 deep x 82.5 tall. 23 cubic ft interior space, white aluminum interior with stainless floor. Standard heavy-duty casters. R290 refrigerant, environmentally friendly and energy efficient. ETL certified and conforms to NSF.
All of the items are available on
7.
Amazon.com. I have included all the link in the description. You can check out the link for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.